Hi and welcome to the channel. This is going to be a banging episode. Making our way to Llandow circuit, or Llandow I think it is how it's spelt, but yeah, the Welsh circuit. Courtesy of FastCarChecks. I think there's going to be about 30 cars here today. Just in a convoy at the moment. About an hour and a half drive to get to the circuit. It is pissing it down. If you can tell from the cockpit, I'm not in the Porsche. It was a bit of a hard decision, but I thought just be sensible on this one. The car's complete and it's up for sale right now. I had this thing, if anything goes wrong, I just don't want to be fixing it now if I hit it into a wall or something. So, we are in a bog standard stock Alfa Romeo Giulietta. However, it's got 170 horsepower, so it's got a bit of go to it. And I'm hoping in conditions like this today, less horsepower is more. But I'm definitely not as prepared as some of these guys, but we'll have a laugh and also try and get some passenger laps with other people if they're willing to do it, and also just some stuff from the side of the circuit as well. I'd be pretty keen. Right, we have made it. Looking glamorous here. Just waiting for safety briefing to start. I thought I'd go for a little walk and have a little look at the track, suss out a few spots to film later on externally as well. It's looking like around 11 o'clock the rain is going to ease slightly. With this rain, it should dry out a little bit. Got the essentials ready. Oh my god. Let's have a little look at some of the cars here today. Right then, I think it's time for me to go out. Just see how we get on. Morning, you alright?
Morning. Okay. In the bag.
No.
You're going to put your sweets in the glove box. Or you can put them in me, one of the two.
Nah, put them in. Here we go then. Right, let's get it. that is the first session done. Oh, what a buzz it is. I forgot. I haven't been on this track in like over 12 years, and that was on a motorbike. This little thing did all right. We overtook a couple of people. By the end then, I was just winding it down a little bit, cooling it off, because the tyres were starting to move about a little bit. The brake started to fade a little bit, but only in the heavy braking zone there. But overall, this little car was good fun. Right, here we go then. Session number 2. And we're out. Oh, tyres are starting to complain already. Come on, little Alfa. Come on, Alfa. That BMW has got so much pace. It absolutely flies on the straights, but we're kind of keeping up with him in the corners. I'm getting a bit of brake fade now where I'm trying to push on a little bit, but we'll do a couple more laps and then I'll have to cool down. Come on, little car. So that is the end of session number 2. Got to a 55.04, I think it was. Come here today thinking in my head, a minute lap time for me in this thing would be probably where I'd like to be at. And to be under that by 5 seconds, I'm very, very happy with that. There's nothing else I can really do in this thing, if I'm honest, in my driving skill and with it is. I pushed hard on a couple of those laps, and that's kind of all I've got. But yeah, like I say, absolutely buzzing. 55, that'll do. Lunchtime began, started to rain heavier. I had earlier on in the day kindly asked Louis if I could have a go as a passenger in his beautiful M235 Cup car. As the rain started to continue to pour, he popped his head out and said, "Let's go for a drive. I'm on wet tyres and well, enjoy this flying lap," because it was breathtaking. Next up was Kieran in his Mark II MX-5. This is a 1.8, but he had turboed it. Pretty fresh build for him, but I have to say this was one of the funnest cars out there. And the pace of this thing as well. It shocked a lot of people. No chance. Oh my god, man. That's the first slip I've had today. Good control, well out. Well out, lad, well out.
Damn it.
Going in.
Slides left though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, so predictable. Oh mate, it's a hell of a weapon this thing, isn't it?
You're not bad for a garage built car.
Yeah, boy! My next passenger lap was with Josh in his Mark 6 Golf R, 400 horsepower. Now this footage is with him on board of probably session 3. By the end of the day, this lad was absolutely flying. Once he got the lines down and dropped his tyre pressure some more, yeah, he was absolutely beasting it. But this thing, I was gobsmacked by the responsiveness of that turbo. This platform is just so capable. There we go, let her run. Sick, man.
Sound bro?
Yeah. My last passenger lap of the day was with Beefy in his 500 horsepower M140i. We know how capable these platforms are. This was done proper with good pads, discs, corner weighted, suspension. It was mind-boggling how good this car was. Full interior, everything, but it was just rapid. Down the back straight, I think I clocked we were doing about 120 mile an hour. To put it in perspective, I think I was in the 70s, maybe just touching 80 in the Alfa. And this guy was just lapping all day long. So energy and vibes with this guy were crazy. Golf coming out. Yeah. A bit. Yeah, boy. Oh, mate. what an incredible day. Lost my voice a little bit where I've been concentrating so much, but yeah, couple of passenger laps in some seriously quick cars today. So thank you ever so much for everyone who let me have a little seat in that. This little Alfa Romeo didn't do too badly. I didn't want to push it, like I say, it's not my car, and I had fun, and that's what I came here for. So yeah, just the long drive back now, get me in a nice warm shower. So that is the day done, back home. Massive thank you to Mish from FastCarChecks for organising the event today. It was brilliant, super smooth, and everyone enjoyed themselves. Also, a massive thank you to the marshals. Obviously, without them, we wouldn't be doing racing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Give us a like with that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That would be greatly appreciative. I'll catch you in the next one.